welcome. We're team number 4, Smart Contacts, and we really had a hard challenge to solve. So basically, there's a lot of missing and incomplete data within all the contact details, whether it's on your smartphone or in a database of a company or within an organization. So this is a big challenge, and we started with a private group to look into a bit more in detail. And our slogan here, as you can see, we don't know about you, but we don't like to update any contact lists. So we had a really tough solution, and we have a really cool solution for you right now. So imagine, we are a team out of 5, and what you can see here is the smartphone of Sebastian, one of our team members. And as you can see, we have an own group within our smartphone contacts, which shows all the contacts on our own web application. But there's one missing. It's Richard. And I don't know about you, how can we get Richard on board? And there he is. I don't know, Richard, come on up. And easily, how can we get him on board without doing a lot of steps? So he basically just has a QR code on his smartphone, which he's presenting to Sebastian, and he's scanning it. And voila, they're connected. They just share the information, they're pushed towards the cards, and they're connected now. They granted access to each other. But sometimes it happens, and I don't know, people get married somehow, I don't know. And this happened to Richard lately. He got married, and how can we look at it? He just changed his name, and he really likes BaselHack, I don't know. And Sebastian, he doesn't have to do anything. He just gets the information without doing any updates. So this is our solution right now, very easy. If you go a little bit further. So we connect within seconds. You don't have to update anything to get the information from your colleagues or your friends. On the other hand, if you change your number, if you change your employer, you just have to change it within your contact details, and all your other contacts get the update. If you go a little bit further, exactly. How did it start? We have to look at our history. So basically it started out here at the BaselHack. We started with a really systematic approach. So as you can see here, we gave it a lot of thoughts, let's put it like this. We used the method design thinking with a lot of post-its. We looked at all the different contributors on our business model, and we looked at the organizations, or organizator, which I will come up with the details later. And yeah, I don't know, it looks a bit crazy, and maybe we are, a lot of information. So after having the really thoughtful process, we looked at the prototyping, and as you can see, it looked really good at the beginning, how we did the scanning, and somehow we got it on the mobile version. And yeah, thanks to the team, I don't know how to say it in any other way. It just happens with the team. We finished on a very late second, and the last few hours, you cannot imagine, this was tough. This was tough, and it was fun. And of course, we have a vision. So we started with the private people. We checked out, we asked some of the participants here, how would they actually like it? We asked them in an expert way. And on the other hand, we looked at the organization. So we looked at the BaselHack. We talked to some BaselHack participants and looked at their problems and how can we enable them. So basically, we imagine a platform where we have the contact details. We will be the platform provider. We have private people who will be giving the data. For instance, if there is an organizer like the BaselHack, who will offer the contacts and our app to them as an entrance for us to get the user information and get the circle running, which is very important on a platform business. And this is basically our last thing for now. We invite you to sign up now for the BaselHack2018. Just go on our website, smartcontacts.ch. Go to the very end, put in your name, your email, and you will get entered into our database, and you will be instantly connected. And so next time you see each other, you just have a group in your cell phone, and you got all the contact information. And best of all, you don't have to do anything for it.